Hello everyone, Avanti is here with her tutorials. Today we will see some concepts related to circle. Before I start with, I thank all the subscribers, those who have subscribed to my channel, viewers and those who are sharing my link also. I request to all of you, a humble request, please keep on supporting, liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. Your one like, your one click means a lot. It adds to my enthusiasm. Keep on commenting, complimenting and keep on adding with your suggestions. Next, what kind of videos, which topic you expect from me. Now this circle and its concepts, they will be useful for classes 8, 9 and 10. It starts usually from class 8. So let's see what circle. Yes, circle, it's a round geometrical shape. So to draw a circle, we take certain distance in a compass. Compass means what? A steel or a metallic instrument in which you put on a pencil and you try to draw it. But the distance which you take in the compass, that distance is known as radius. R-A-D-I-U-S, radius. Suppose I take distance 3 centimeters, means what you do is you put the tip of the compass here and you try to rotate it with the pencil. That particular distance, what it makes is, it will make a complete circle. Wherever you will count, you will find the radius measurement as same. So suppose this is my center and this is one of the circles. Now this distance is known as radius. R-A-D-I-U-S, radius. Its plural is radii, R-A-D-I-I. And twice the radius is diameter. We denote radius usually with small r. And diameter means twice of it, T-W-I-C. Twice means 2 times. Double of it. This is diameter. This is also diameter. Suppose this is 3. Yes, of course, this will be 6. Or else this will also be 6. So diameter. It is denoted by small d. That's why we say that if you want to define diameter in terms of radius, diameter is always 2 times the radius or twice the radius. Therefore, d equals to 2r we write, and there is no sign between 2 and r, means multiplication sign, and therefore you can make radius as d by 2. I have transposed this term, this 2 to another side, and as it's in multiplication, when I'm transposing means shifting one term from one side to another side, its sign changes. So center, this is center. We denote center with a single alphabet as it's a point. So it can be O. We can make this as A. So OA is radius. OD is diameter. BC is another diameter. Now we will see some terms related to circle. One I already told you, that is radius. Another I told you, diameter. Next is chord of the circle. C-H-O-R-D, chord of the circle. Segment. Tangent. Sector. So what are these? One by one we will see. Chord means it's a line segment which lies inside, means towards, inside means interior of the circle. A line segment which lies in the interior of the circle is known as a chord. Suppose I join this. This is a chord DB. This is a chord DB. Radius itself, it is a chord. Diameter itself, it is a chord. So we say diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So if somebody asks you, or if in objectives it is asked, which is the longest chord of the circle, of course it's diameter. So this is chord. What's a segment? Segment, before we move to segment, what we will do is we will see an arc. Arc means some portion of the circle, curved surface. Some curved surface when you consider, that is called as an arc of a circle. You can say this is arc DB, or else we can denote by 3 letters also, DXB. This is one of the arcs of a circle. So there will be n number of arcs. Now this arc DXB and this chord DB, when you shade this portion, this is known as a segment. I repeat, this chord and this arc DXB and chord DB, that combined portion which I have shaded, that is known as a segment. That is known as a segment. And this complete portion ODXB or else ODB, this is a sector, this complete portion, this one, this is a sector. Now what is a tangent? Tangent is a line in the exterior of the circle, but it intersects the circle in only one point. Suppose I take this point P, and when you draw this becomes the tangent P to the circle. So what is the difference between a segment and a tangent? Segment is a well-defined line segment, yes. Tangent is a line, but segment is always in the interior of the circle. Tangent is in the exterior of the circle. Tangent always intersects the circle in a single point. Segment has 2 points. An arc and a segment, that makes, a chord and an arc makes a segment. Segment plus this portion, that makes a sector. So some terms related to circle, which I tried to clarify what they were: center of the circle, radius of the circle, diameter of the circle, chord of the circle, arc of the circle, segment of the circle, tangent of the circle. Now to calculate, as in area and perimeter already I have explained, that this periphery, this outer portion, circumference of a circle, it is known, instead of perimeter we use the word circumference of a circle, and in terms of radius, if you want to calculate, it becomes 2 pi r. If it is calculated in terms of diameter, then it is pi d, and area of a circle is pi r square. Now why we should know all this? Because further in next classes 9 and 10, in surface area and volume, you are supposed to calculate the areas of these all portions, these planes. When either in case diameter is given or radius is given, you have to calculate their areas. So this was related to circle and its some terminology related to circle. Hope I tried to make it useful. Before I conclude, I thank all of you for your unbelievable, unexpected support. Still, I request humbly, please keep on supporting, liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. Your one like, your one subscription, one click means a lot. It adds to my energy. Please do keep my link as your, if possible, I'm not making it compulsory, I'm insisting humbly. Please keep my link as maybe your WhatsApp status, maybe your Facebook reel, maybe your Facebook story, maybe your Insta story. It may help unknowingly to those children, those who want to know about it. Thank you.